Hi friends, in this video we'll do a problem on treatment of bad debts when it is given inside the trial balance. So let us go to the problem. You are given extract of a trial balance on 31st March 22, debtors 4,50,000, bad debts 50,000, discount allowed 10,000, and you are given no further information. So with this trial balance you have to prepare your final account. It seems very simple. I'll prepare both of them here itself. Profit and loss account for year ended 31st March 22. Balance sheet as on 31st March 22. Debtors will go to the balance sheet asset side 4,50,000. Bad debts will be debited to P&L account. 2 bad debts 50,000. Now the question arises, should we subtract these bad debts from debtors? The answer is no, because bad debts is already appearing inside the trial balance. That means the bad debts ledger is already there in our books. The ledger was opened because an entry was already passed for bad debts. The entry which we have passed is bad debts account debtor to debtors. So that entry has already been posted in the bad debts account and the debtors account. So this balance in debtors is after considering the bad debts of 50,000. So we are not going to subtract it again. Discount allowed 10,000, that is also debited to P&L account. Discount allowed 10,000. We are not going to subtract it from debtors because the same thing has happened with discount allowed also. What is the entry we would have passed for bad debts? This entry would have already passed for bad debts. Bad debts account debtor to debtors 50,000. This entry is already passed. The impact is already taken. So this amount of 4,50,000 is after subtracting this amount of 50,000. So we are not going to subtract it again. Because of this entry, bad debts account was showing a debit balance. That is why it was appearing in the trial balance on the debit side. Similarly, we would have already passed an entry, discount allowed to debtors 10,000. This entry would have been credited to debtors. This amount is after subtracting 10,000, and because of this entry, discount allowed account was debited and it is showing a debit balance. That is why it is shown in the trial balance. So this entry was already passed, so no need to give impact of this entry again. If an entry is already passed, postings are given, you need not give effect again in the final account stage. So when the bad debts and discount allowed is given inside the trial balance, the losses you are going to show directly in the P&L account and the debtors in the balance sheet. You are not going to subtract these losses again from the balance sheet asset side.